This is a product review. Draw your own magnets. It comes with 2 sheets of A5 magnetic paper. We can be inspired by these drawings in the cover. This is a Flying Tiger product, suitable for kids over 3 years old. The package is easy to open. The 2 sheets of magnetic paper are protected by a thin plastic wrap. You'll need a fine liner or a crayon or coloring pencils to draw, and scissors. I'm going to use a normal one and a smaller one to cut the round shapes. I'm going to draw a few doodles. You can draw with your kids too, because it's a very fun activity. The paper is very soft and various types of pens can be used with it. I used fine liner, felt tip pen and water-based pen, and all adhered very well. Here I'm using the felt tip markers. You can check in the video above. You can use leftover paper to make smaller magnets. And now they are ready for the magnetic board. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.